got a more 40 volt XGT. Yes, this is a new line to the depots. It's already been here quite a few months here, or about a year or so, I would say. But at the depot, it's fairly new. You got the 40 volt MX XGT, brushless cordless 2-piece combo kit. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. We got the drill and impact driver, a hammer drill. So as you guys do see, these are top of the line Makita tools. I do have both of these. I've done videos with versus videos with other tools. Done with the DeWalt's, Milwaukee's, all those. Do gotta say, these are very comfortable to use. These are really unique tools. Like I said, comfortable, precise, and other words that I can describe them is just really nice, pleasure to use. Pretty much, if you're gonna be using a tool all day, this Makita is gonna be the one for you. All right, so we got the get 2 free batteries. This is a hack. Yeah, this is a Black Friday hack. I haven't posted this. I don't know if I saw this at Deal Team 6. I saw it a few days back, but I did forget it because I was so busy at work. And this does come with 2.5 amp hour batteries. If you guys don't know what that is, that's 2 5 amp hour batteries if you put it into the regular 1820 volt battery. So it's going to be that size, but it is 2.5 according to the voltage that they got with with the 40 volts XGT. So it is $449. When I got mine, I got them at around this price. So yeah, it was kind of expensive, but now guys, we got a hack. Yes, even the 40 volt GT is available for a hack. You goes down here to the free give with purchase. You go to the 2 batteries, the $298 batteries. Add both to the cart, and you're gonna get the batteries for $210. It's a good solid deal for these because they're hard to get. They're really expensive, and solid deal on that one. But check this out, guys, $238. That is a killer deal on this set. These tools are really expensive because they're brand new and they're the newer stuff, the higher voltage. Even the batteries is killer deal. Whatever you want to get, it's fine. These are much bigger batteries, by the way. These are 4 amp hour batteries. Just keep that in mind. And these are 2.5 amp hour batteries. So I think these are kill deal for this one. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.